Welcome back to the Organic Rose. Remember that chicken that we slowly roasted? I went ahead and boned it out, and there's the breast. So we had part of the breast, we had one side of the breast we had for dinner. Now this side we're going to go ahead and have for lunch. I'm going to make some Sammies or some sandwiches. So we will go ahead and take this breast. I'll give you a little bit of room here. And we're going to just carve it on the bias a little bit at an angle. Try to keep the pieces kind of together a bit if you can. Oh, this is going to make an amazing sandwich. Okay. And one more slice. There we go. So see, I came across a little piece of the breastbone. That's okay. I've turned the knife over this way, the side that's not sharp, and we just scrape off that breastbone. There you go. Sometimes you get all the bone, sometimes you don't. So I got that out of there. This is all pure solid meat now. Very nice Sonoma County sourdough bread. And I'm gonna make a fake alioli. Normally I don't do fake stuff, I do real stuff, but I'm gonna do a fake one this time. Alioli is basically a garlic mayonnaise. So I'm gonna take, instead of making the mayonnaise, which is how you should really do it, where you take the egg yolks and you emulsify them with some nice extra virgin olive oil, then you add the garlic, some seasoning, salt and pepper, and that sort of thing, and you make your alioli that way, and you wait till it emulsifies and gets nice and tight. But I'm gonna go ahead and take a cheat step here and just use regular mayonnaise into my mixing bowl. Okay, and I've got some minced up fresh garlic. A little bit more, I love garlic. You know that already. Lemon off our tree. Oh, it smells so good. Do yourself a favor, if you have the space, lemons grow great in pots. If you have a patio area, just put a couple citrus trees out there. It's nice to have lemons and limes and that sort of thing. I'm gonna go ahead and cut. There we go. Cut through the lemon. I'll set that in the same dish with the garlic. And I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze the lemon juice into the bowl with the mayonnaise and the garlic. But I'm gonna squeeze the lemon through my fingers. Watch this. Then you just kind of open and close your fingers a bit just to let the juice go through. But your fingers will trap any of the seeds, so you don't have the seeds in your alioli. Then you can use a lemon squeezer if you want, but I have my own lemon squeezers. It's called a hand. Okay. I'll set that over there. See, a couple of seeds got caught in there. Scrape those off. Now we'll take a whisk or a whip, however you like to refer to it, and let's emulsify that lemon juice and garlic into the mayonnaise. Okay. Fresh cracked black pepper. Okay. Mix that in. Okay, now to help emulsify even more so, we're going to take some extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, and slowly drizzle it in while you're running the whisk. Okay, it's about as thick as I want it. I don't want it to get too thick. This olive oil is the best olive oil, but it's not for sale. I make it myself. Actually, we grow our own organic olives, and every year we go ahead and harvest the olives and press them into oil, and then we store it in some stainless steel drums so they don't get any light. And then when it's time to bottle oil, I just go ahead and put a big pump in the drum and fill my olive oil bottle up, and there you have it. It's good stuff. Okay, let's take some of that sourdough bread. I'll get this whisk out of the way. And got a spreading tool. We're going to go ahead and spread it on the bread. It's a little bit thinner than I wanted, but that's okay. The bread's just going to absorb it all. And you notice I didn't add any salt to it. It's because I already salted the chicken before cooking it, and then the mayonnaise has salt inherently in it as well. So you don't need to go crazy with the sodium. I can smell the lemon. I can smell those chunks of garlic in there. This is going to be so good. Okay. That's got enough of that on there. So now we are going to go ahead and I've got some of that julienne of onion, so let's set some of that in here. Just the thinner pieces. Because remember, it's raw onion, so it's going to be a little bit on the strong side. Which is fine for me, but some of you may not like it that strong. There we go. And some tomato slices. Three should be enough to fit on there, yep. Okay. Now we'll go ahead and take the chicken breast, skin and all. Some pieces may fall apart on you a little bit, but that's all right. It's all going to fit in there. Skin's my favorite part anyway. It's got all the exterior seasonings on it. And you can put the little broken pieces in there. They'll fit. Okay, and here's a piece of chicken. So we'll put that piece right there. We'll save this piece for myself for a little snack later. Okay, let's put this in there. Okay, let's put this on top. And now we're going to go ahead and cut the sandwich. I like to cut it at a little bit of an angle just because it's different. It kind of looks a little bit out of the ordinary. And just kind of saw through it. And that's all there is to it. Next step is to eat it and enjoy it. Catch you next time on The Organic Rose.